Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to sign into a EA account. So if you want to sign into a EA account and you have already created its account and you do not know how to get in signing in EA account, then need not worry, this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of signing into a EA account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to sign into a EA account, first of all, go ahead and tap on Safari, and then go ahead and tap on search, and then tap on EA, and then you'll be available with the option of electronics art homepage. So go ahead and tap on there, and then you'll be available with the screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is in the top, and then go ahead and tap on sign in. Now go ahead and provide them with your phone or email, whichever you created your account with, and then provide them with your password. So as you can see here, you have already been logged into your EA account. So this is how we can easily sign into a EA account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.